Now here the Young's modulus of steel is 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. This is the Young's modulus for a material steel. So the modulus value depends on the material only. The modulus value means the Young's modulus value, it depends on the material. It is given, this value is given for the material. This value is obtained for the material. So it depends on material. This value is not given for any force or area or for any length taken for the steel. For any force or any area or any length of the steel wire taken. And modulus means it is constant. Now the second type of modulus is the bulk modulus. Now bulk modulus, what is it? It is volume stress upon volumetric strain. So the stress is also the volume type, means it acts over whole the volume of the body. What's that? That is, suppose a body which is spherical in the shape and it is immersed in the water. Suppose a body which is spherical in the shape like a rubber ball and it is immersed in the water. Then from all the sides normally the force is acting and that makes a pressure. The normal force makes a pressure and this pressure is, say, pressure difference or pressure is delta P on this rubber ball. Then there will be a change in the volume. So what's strain? Strain is change in the volume per unit volume. So here we see that the V is the volume and delta V is the decrease in the volume. Delta V is the decrease in the volume and V is the volume. So putting both the values in the formula of bulk modulus, we get firstly the stress is delta P, the volume stress or the normal stress is delta P, and the volume strain is delta V by V, and this minus sign, negative sign also. Negative sign denotes that if there is an increase in the pressure, there will be a decrease in the volume. So therefore this minus sign is coming here. So we can write K as delta as V into delta P by minus delta V. So this formula is used in the numericals, both the formulas. Now suppose a rubber ball, it is immersed in the deep lake and the depth is 50 to 100 meter. So at a certain depth of the lake there will be a pressure H rho g, and let there is a 0.01% is the strain, volume strain, that makes a bulk. For numerical purpose we will use this formula for delta P, H rho g. Now we will put H 50 or 100 whichever is given, that is the depth. Rho is the density of water which is 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube, and G, the given value 9.8 or 10. So similarly we will put volume strain which is given here. So delta V by V is given equal to 0.01 by 100, this much percent. Another thing, that is compressibility. What is the meaning of compressibility of a material? How much compressible the material is? So compressible material, more compressible material has a small value of the K. The value of the K is small. K is the bulk modulus. So the reciprocal of the bulk modulus is compressibility. Thank you one and all. This was about the modulus in our class 11th syllabus.